Let me show you how to transform your doors with Leader Online from this to this. First of all, grab your tape measure. So you're going to want to measure the top, the middle and the bottom of the existing architrave, as well as the height. Choose the largest measurement of the three and don't measure the internal frame, but do measure where the door will fit. Now head over to Leader Online. I'll post the exact code in the caption below. Now you can choose the size closest to your measurements. Just a little tip, if a lock needs planing off the door, remember the internal latch measurement and don't forget your handle pack. Now you can get your joiner booked and enjoy the transformation. Make sure to clean away any dust before you start painting. Now I chose the already primed door from Leader Online. I just find that the primed doors are easier when it comes to painting, as you'll only have one exposed edge that's been planed. This door already had a protective cover on the glass, but if you need to, just get yourself some masking tape or some frog tape just to protect the edges. When you're painting, don't get too much on the brush and just use really soft brush strokes. Don't forget a stool for those hard to reach areas. Now you'll need a sharp Stanley blade to cut along the protective cover. It just helps it nicely peel away like so. When the paint's dried, clean the glass, and I hope you've all enjoyed watching and I hope this helps.